Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 19 of class 7, subject English 2, sentence analysis. Okay. A word here which goes with the object copybook is called and analyze the enlargement of the object. Here we are going to start with the exercise 1. Okay. Analyze the following sentences. For this you are going to make table like this in your notebook. So this question you are going to do in copy. I'll show you the table. Like this you are going to do the table. Okay, half table is this one and the rest is on the next page. So you are going to complete this table in your notebook. Okay, next exercise 2. In this, underline the verb and circle the complement in each of the following sentences. Okay, now first one, the rumor seems true. Underline the word seems. Second, the nights became cold. Became. The child fell asleep. Fell. Fourth one, at last the sea became calm. The mangoes taste delicious. Taste. The one of the 11 fell ill. Fell. The old woman looks unhappy. Looks. The poor coolie seems tired. Seems. The wind is cold. Is. The boys made a noise. Made. The report proved false. Proved. The poor woman went mad. Went. Exercise 3. Again you are going to analyze the following sentences. Again you are going to make a table. I will show you the table, and this question also you are going to do in copy. Okay, so this is the table, children, you are going to do in your notebook. Okay, now the fourth exercise we are going to do, underline the enlargement of subject in the following sentences. First one, the book on the desk is mine. On the desk. A book is big type. A book in big type is easy to read. In big type. Next, the mangoes in the blanket in that basket are ripe. In that basket. The house by the river is for sale. By the river. The lion in the den is old. In the den. The man of wealth should help the poor of wealth. The tops of the mountains were covered with snow of the mountains. The crowd in the bazaar was very noisy. In the bazaar. All the shops in the market were closed yesterday. In the market. Fearing to be catch in the train, we returned. Fearing to be catch in the rain. Fifth one, exercise 5. Underline the enlargement of the subject in the object in the following sentences. The children have read the story of Ali Baba. Of Ali Baba. Have you seen a rose without a thorn? Without a thorn. I saw a boy eating figs. Eating figs. Soldiers guarded the entrance of the castle. Once I saw a man with a wooden ledge. With the wooden ledge. I shall buy that bunch of flowers. That bunch of. He wore a turban of red silk. Of red silk. We reached a path covered with mud. Covered with mud. Nobody likes a person with a bad temper. With a bad temper. The architect drew a plan for the house. For the house. Now, exercise 6. Underline the existence of the predicate in each of the following sentences. She spoke in a whisper. In a whisper. The farmer's wife jumped out of the bed. Out of the bed. The train is going at full speed. At full speed. The picture hangs on the wall. On the wall. The boy stood on the burning deck. On the burning deck. He acted against my advice, against my advice. The man rode on a white horse. On a white horse, he cut his finger with a penknife. With a penknife. So, children, we have completed chapter number 19. Exercise 1 and exercise 3 you are going to complete in your notebook. So, complete your work. Thank you.